Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I want to share how I move my crypto tokens from one network to another. There are several kinds of networks out there. There is Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, and others. So yesterday I had BNB coins on the Polygon network. Now it's 0. So yesterday I wanted to use the BNB coin on the PancakeSwap website, but it didn't appear in my wallet. It turned out that the PancakeSwap was using the Binance Smart Chain network. So, despite the fact that I had BNB coins in my wallet, and had connected my wallet to PancakeSwap, the BNB coins could not be seen. This BNB coin can only be used if it has been transferred from the Polygon network to the Binance Smart Chain network. Before we continue, please take the time to subscribe and turn on notifications. A network, if we make an analogy, is like a country. There is an Ethereum country, a Binance Smart Chain country, a Polygon country, and so on. So my BNB coin is in a Polygon country, while I want to use the BNB coin in the Binance Smart Chain country. So how do I do that? So I have to transfer the coin from a Polygon country to a Binance Smart Chain country first, then I can use it for trading in a Binance Smart Chain country. To transfer from one country to another, you need a platform called Bridge. There are various kinds of platforms available. Here I will use Expolinate.io. You can check the link in the description below. Before transferring your coins, you must first convert the coins into stable coins. Stable coins can be in the form of DAI, USDT, or USDC. This coin was originally in BNB, but it has been converted to DAI. So you can't directly transfer in the form of BNB. You have to swap BNB to be a stable coin. In this example, I will use DAI. After transferring to DAI, you also need a few native coins in your network or home country. Because our coin is in Polygon country, we need Matic coins. Matic coins are the original currency of Polygon country. If your coins are in the Ethereum country, you need Ethereum coins. Why? Because later we have to pay a transfer fee, and the fee can only be paid in the country's original currency. So here I have my Matic, and my BNB coins have also been converted to DAI. Now I am ready to transfer from the Polygon country to my destination country, namely Binance Smart Chain. First, open your wallet. You can use MetaMask or any other wallet. The way it works is the same. Make sure your wallets are connected to the coin's network or country of origin. Because my coins are in Polygons, then the network I choose is Polygons. Go to the Expolinate.io website. The link is in the description below. After that, connect your wallet to the website. My wallet is already connected to the website. Now in the From column, we select Polygon. Because our funds are in Polygon. Then in the To column, select the destination network. Here I chose Binance Smart Chain because I want to send funds there. After that, under the From column, there is a Token column. You select the stable coin that you want to transfer. Here I used DAI coins. My DAI balance can be seen here. In the Token column under To, DAI automatically appears as well. Now enter the amount of DAI you want to transfer. Here I click the Max button because I want to transfer all my coins. The cost is still being calculated. Well, here the fee is 1.55 DAI, approximately $1.55. This is the estimated DAI that will be received. Just press the Approve button. Then the wallet will appear. Then press the Confirm button. Let's wait for the process to finish. After that, press the Swap DAI button. Then check all the information. After everything is okay, press Confirm again. The wallet appears again. You can see the estimated gas fee here. There is an additional fee. In Matic currency, like I said, Matic is Polygon state currency. Press Confirm. A transaction is in process. Don't close this. Leave it open until it's done. The Sign in to Claim button popped up. Click on it. The wallet appears. Click Sign in button. So the process has been successful. We now check our wallet balance in the destination country. So first, let's change the country to a Binance Smart Chain country. As you can see, the DAI coins have appeared in our wallet on the Destin network. If we need BNB coins, we just need to change the DAI to BNB. We can use Pancake Swap. So that's how you move your crypto coins from one country to another or from one network to another. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.